يوم الغد
إن
تقول
شاء الله.
لا اليوم.
Ya, nah,
Because sleepy, capek, dah ngantuk, dah capek.
Ya.
Yaum Ghadan,
Sengaja.
laisa al-an. Laisa al-an, insyaallah yaum Ghadan.
شكرا لهاتفك.
Baik.
كيف
Ngomong aja bahasa Indonesia.
Udah goyang kawan.
I turidu
Bye-bye.
Baca Arabia mahu la muharrasa. Laisa
Why?
kadalik muharrasa. Percakapan.
Percakapan.
Mahu.
He does not want me to speak in Arabic. He wants me to speak another language.
It's okay, you can practice the Arabic language because this guy, one of our teacher, can teach his students to Arabic language. Yeah.
Lanjutkan.
Jerman.